Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. Today I have a ton of things to unpack. Some of this came to me from PR, some of these I purchased myself, and I have a ton to get through. So let's just go ahead and start. So the first two things I'm going to show you were sent to me by the brands. The first of which is the thing that I am so excited for because it is from Urban Decay. You guys know how much I love Urban Decay. I'm always raving about them. I'm encouraging you guys to buy every palette that comes out basically because I have loved every single palette that I've ever tried from the brand. I always usually buy a palette whenever there's a Sephora sale going on because I mean their palettes are just amazing, and if you can get that little extra discount on them, great. But even when there isn't a discount, the palettes are amazing and are a great investment. They're not ridiculously expensive. I mean, you've been to Sephora, you know what expensive is. So these are not like expensive. These are just really good palettes. Urban Decay never disappoints. Look how beautiful this is. I love that this is like glitter in here. I just love the whole vibe of this. So let's open it up. Did I show you the packaging? I didn't show you the packaging. Before we open that up, this is the box that it came in. Very cool. It's basically the reverse of this, where here you have like these colorful stones on the majority of the palette. This actually only has it in the lettering, and then where the lettering in here features that gold metallic glitter, this is what mostly the packaging is. So that's pretty neat, I think. So okay, let's open her up because I know that you guys must be excited just like I am. Beautiful. Now I've seen this already all over Instagram. I don't know how long it's been out, not that long, but I've seen it all over Instagram. You guys probably have too, and I've been dying to see it in person. I wasn't sure about the size of the products. The shadows are different sizes. So you have this large one right in the center, which is like your highlighter color. It's called Luna. And then you have these small shadows here, and then you have these on the outer rim are bigger. All right, I'm just gonna show it to you because I'm gonna do a whole video dedicated to this. I'm gonna swatch every product that's in here. I'll show you what what the finish is like, what it looks like on my skin tone. I actually already opened this up. It's what I'm wearing in my eyes. I created this look using the Elements palette. So if you like what you see here, stay tuned because I'm gonna do a video solely dedicated on this palette, which I haven't even filmed yet. I did the makeup, I did the eye already, but I'm gonna do swatches. I'm gonna show you how opaque the shadows are, what it looks like on my skin tone, etc., etc. But here it is. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Givenchy gifted me this healthy glow powder. I had heard so many great things about this, but I never tried it, so I was so excited to try it out. And the hype is real, let me tell you. It is real. I'm actually wearing it now. This, if you haven't heard, is a pressed gel powder, which I didn't even know was a thing, but it is. It is, and it gives you this beautiful sun-kissed look to your skin. It's a bronzer, but it's different than your average bronzer. A lot of bronzers have a lot of like glitter and sparkle to them, and what happens is that people like me who have texture on their skin, it really emphasizes that texture. This, you don't get any texture. There's no glitter, there's no nothing like that. It's just a beautiful glow to the skin. It just looks like, it makes you look like you've just been out in the sun. You can use it to contour, but it's really best all over the face just to give you that sun-kissed look. But it's beautiful. Like I said, I'm wearing all new products today. That's probably going to be my next video of me doing this makeup look, maybe. So if you do like this look, if you want to see how this how it applies, then definitely stay tuned. Make sure that you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already. And follow me on social media. I'm on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, I'm on it. I also link to everything down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. But how beautiful is this? The next item I purchased with my own money, and I'm so excited to share this because it is from Macy's, as you can see, and it's a piece of clothing that my friend designed. This is from the Inspired by Natalie Off Duty collection. Natalie Off Duty, well, Natalie Off Duty is the name of the blog. Natalie Suarez is the person, is my friend, and she is amazing. She's beautiful. She's a model. She's a blogger. She's absolutely gorgeous, and she has designed this collection, and so I purchased a piece from it, and I'm so excited for it. It's called the Romantic Collection, and everything in it is beautiful and romantic and flowy and just voluptuous fabric, if that is the term that I can use to describe it, but it's just so pretty. This is a top. Look at that. It has a little belt that gathers around the waist. I'm really excited to try this on. So when I do, I'm going to do a whole look with this, a blog post with it, an outfit of the day blog post. So make sure that you are also subscribed to my blog. You can follow it on Blog Love, and you can also sign up to my newsletter where I post about every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, sometimes once a month, depends. I've promised you some good giveaways, and I am delivering. I'm doing a giveaway pretty consistently, one right after the other, till the end of the year, maybe even longer than that. I have a huge giveaway to announce very soon. It's very big, so make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you're sharing my videos with your friends, asking them to subscribe, asking your family members to subscribe as well, because when I get to a certain number, it's gonna be good. You've been warned. Okay, so the next item came from Fashionphile. Sarah, the owner, she sent me an email to not only just me, but just a few of her affiliates. I am an affiliate from Fashionphile, asking us for our shipping address because they were going to send us a little gift. So this is that little gift. I'm so happy to support Fashionphile. I've been buying from Fashionphile for years and years. They are my favorite, one of my 2 top consignment stores that are online. And every month I do my picks of what, like my top 10 Fashionphile finds, that's what I call them. And I'm just, Chanel for under $1,000, like it's real. Check out the description box below. I will link to that blog post so you can see it. You can just find some amazing deals on it. So I'm happy to support them and happy to have their support back through their affiliate program. You don't have to be an influencer or a content creator or YouTuber or anything like that. If you just apply. If you've shopped from them before, you can apply, and then you can send your friends your link. If they're gonna buy something, then you get a small percentage of that sale. So there you go. So again, this is from Fashionphile. Check that out. That's cute. This says, reflecting on our time together. Thank you so much for being such an amazing ambassador. We really appreciate it. XOXO Fashionphile. And then this is a mirror, I believe. Let's see. Yep. Very cute. That's very nice. Okay. And then there's this little packet. Oh my gosh, it's like little office supplies. So there's a Fashionphile pencil with a pink eraser. There's a Fashionphile pen. There is a Fashionphile nail file, which I always find very clever. I have these all over the place because I have a few of them from all of the shopping that I've done at Fashionphile. They usually stick one of those in your box, in your package when you make a purchase. A little Fashionphile sticker. I think this is like a vinyl. You could put this in like the window of your car. Some Fashionphile stickers. So cute. Certified authentic, their logo, HG bag, used as the new bag addict. So cute. And then they gave me the business card for one of their VIP specialists. So there you go. Thank you, Fashionphile. That was really sweet. Completely unnecessary because I love you guys, because you guys are amazing. I don't need any gifts to continue to support and promote your business, but I appreciate it. Thank you so much. The next item is from Book of the Month Club because I am an old lady. Look, I'm an English major. I was a Spanish minor, but mostly I studied Spanish literature. And I just love books. I love books. So this is my book of the month, and I had to do it. You can skip months if you haven't finished your book or you just know you're not going to have time to. I'm actually still reading my first Book of the Month Club, which I'm embarrassed about, but because I'm not working anymore, I don't have a day job, I don't commute, so I don't have that time in the morning and in the afternoon to read during my train ride home. But I had to pick this one up because it's a book, like a fun book that has to do with fashion. And I'm all about that. If there's a book about I'm all into suspense. Like, that's pretty much all I've been reading lately. And this brings together suspense and fashion. It's called #FashionVictim, a novel by Amina Akhtar. It says here, a devilishly dark take on the fashion world. #FashionVictim is Heathers meets The Devil Wears Prada. Of course I grabbed it. Of course. Excited to read it. By the way, because I still love books so much, what I've been doing is Audible. That's how I've been reading my books lately, because I can do that while I'm feeding the baby. I can stick an earbud in my ear while I'm washing dishes. That's my number one spot to watch YouTube and to read a book on Audible. This is a PR package from Nyakio, and I have heard great things about this brand. I've actually never purchased from them. They are at Ulta, so you can find their products there, but it's a woman of color owned business. They are clean and green. All of their products are natural. I'm all about supporting women owned businesses, but especially if they're women of color, you got me. So they sent me a few of their products. Their first one is the Sweet Almond Cleansing Oil Balm. They also sent me their Baobab Youth Infused Daily Defense Creme. This is a moisturizer. They sent me their Quinoa Depuffing and Firming Eye Cream, also moisturizes. And they also sent me their Chinese Rice Exfoliating Cleanser Powder. Ooh, this is a great exfoliator, I hear. So I'm gonna try these out and let you know what I think of them, but I've heard great things. And then last but not least, my good friends at Derma E sent me another box. So I'm excited to see what they sent me. Their skincare products, honestly, is like one of my favorite skincare brands. And they are totally affordable, and you can find them at Whole Foods. Love Derma E. I will again link to all the products that I feature in my videos in the description box below, so if there's anything that interests you, you can go directly to it by my description box. Also, let me know if you want me to do a review, a specific review on a specific product or a look or anything like that in the description box below. Okay, so they sent me a box with 2 products. The first of which is the Derma E Sun Defense Mineral Oil-Free Sunscreen. Awesome. This is specifically made for your face. I think it's SPF 30. Yep. And non-nano mineral zinc oxide, vitamin E, and green tea, 100% unscented. Reef safe. I love Derma E. They're just amazing. Not only as a brand, as a company, are they great because they're so green. They care about the environment. They care about the stuff that they put into their products because because ultimately they care about you, the consumer, and what you put on your skin. But their products are just amazing. Really love Derma E. I need to do a Derma giveaway. I need to do a Derma E giveaway very soon. Writing that down. And then the other product is the Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Cleanser. This comes with vitamin A and glycolic acid. This is, again, 100% vegan, soy-free, cruelty-free, eco-ethical. Love Derma E. So that is everything that I'm sharing with you in this video. Thank you so much for watching and unboxing all of these items with me. Again, check out the description box below where I link to all the products that I feature. Use that comment section below to ask me any questions, make any requests, just say hi. I love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.